How to log in into Washington sales tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how to log in into Washington sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open your browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the Washington sales tax login on the search bar. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. Scroll down and here you will see the option of My Account Washington Department of Revenue. Click on it. And here on this page on the upper right side, here you will see the option of login. Click on it. Now finally here you need to enter your SAW user ID and password. And in case you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply tap on forgot user ID or forgot password option. After entering all of your details, simply click on that green button that says sign in to my DOR. And with that you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.